Happy Tuesday, and welcome to Eva Trades. This is the live show streaming from the Studio One today. I am happy to be here. Glad to be a part of the stock market today. Things are really jumping, really popping. It's been a crazy, exciting, emotional morning for me. I've been trading pre-market. I was up, I was down, I'm back up, and I'm not sure I want to trade anymore because of the craziness. This is phase two, the first day of phase two. Let's go through that just real quick before we get into the stocks. This is the website. Here's the plan. Phase two. I completed phase one yesterday when I hit $500. I actually made $513. It took me 37 days to get there. So I'm expecting somewhat the same result for phase two. Phase two, my risk goes up to $25. My daily goal becomes $50. And I hit the finish line when I get to $1,000. So already today I'm up 61.26 actually. So I'm at my daily goal, above my daily goal. At one point this morning I was up $75, which is 2.5 times my daily goal. And I was trying to get to 100, but took some trades that I shouldn't have taken and went down to almost zero. Managed to claw my way back. And let's take a look now at the trades of the morning so far. I first started trading FRC here on an equilibrium right here with this low here, lower high, higher low, lower high. And as it pulled back, I bought this candle right here, and then I started to go into the red. So right away I was in the red. I was holding this trade. This is unrealized profit. I'm adding on the pullback, looking for this support right here to hold. It does hold. It starts to make its move. And as we push up into here, I'm selling, hitting my daily goal right there. Pretty impressive. And then I went on to trade it some more. Not very well, I might add, but I did manage to get myself up pretty good on it. And then I traded PAC-W and lost quite a bit of money on PAC-W. That's the one that got me. I kept buying breakouts on it, and then the next candle would open and it would start to fail. So I would bail on the trade because I can't use stop losses. I'm worried about a flush down. And then of course, as soon as I'd get out, it'd start to go back up again. It was like so frustrating with PAC-W. I don't even know if I want to trade it. I don't even want to look at it. But then luckily I saw this move down here to the volume weighted average price on FRC. I took that trade. I actually got in up here on this bounce, and I held through the consolidation down further. I added to it down here. It makes its move up. It pulls back again. As this starts to move up, I'm adding even more. And as this breaks through, I'm selling. I'm up $113.04 on FRC. So with that being said, let's try to break these down. Some pretty crazy action. I think there was some news. What was it? PMI, PCI, whatever it's called. I don't pay too much attention to that stuff. All I know is it happened. It happened at whatever time it was, right around 5:30, and it caused some serious fluctuation in the markets, which was right around in this area. You don't see it as much here, but you can really see it on SPY if you want to see it. Look over here on SPY. See this big candle? We flushed down, and then the bulls came in and bought the dip, and we surged back up, and then we pulled back again, and now we're seeing just continuation higher on a 5-minute time frame. So SPY putting in some nice moves there. All right, so back over to FRC. We have sideways consolidation. Let's look at the 15-minute time frame, and of course I moved my charts around the other day. So one thing that has me concerned is this hourly candle here with this long upper wick. We might be getting ready to see hourly consolidation. We would have to lose the 15-minute uptrend in order to do so. We really, we have established a 15-minute uptrend. We have this higher low and higher high, sideways, another higher high. So bulls looking for a higher low. We really want to hold this support right here. Let's see, what does that look like on the 5-minute time frame? Okay, so we have a 5-minute downtrend with a lower high. It's a double bottom. We do have a 5-minute downtrend. There's a little lower high there, lower low, lower high. So bulls want to hold this double bottom and break back out over 49.60. We have a 1-minute uptrend currently. Want to keep that uptrend intact. If we start to lose that 1-minute uptrend, we might look for further consolidation on the 5-minute. And if that happens, we'll be looking at further consolidation on the 15, which might mean the start of consolidation on the hourly time frame. I know that's a lot. I just said a mouthful. 5-minute uptrend on PAC W. So bulls want to hold this level, 1397. On this pullback, anything above 1397 is a higher low and keeps our 5-minute uptrend intact. We do have a possible higher low here if we break out over the high of this last candle on this candle now. Well, or the next. It's a 5-minute inside bar. Your resistance is up at 1540. That's the high of pre-market. And on the 15-minute, we're just riding the EMA all the way up. So same over here on FRC. We are against that EMA, so bouncing off of that. And MARA traded that, made $12.52 on that one. Back to the 5-minute. Okay, so we have 5-minute higher low trying to form here. Excuse me as I yawn. We do have a little bit of support here. That's not much of a higher low, but it is a higher low on the 5-minute. Just barely. I don't know if you can call it that. You can if you want. Call it what you want. FRC trying to break the high. That's good. That's good. We want to see that. And we do have a 5-minute higher low now on PAC W here at 1471 as this candle has broken the high of the last. So bulls definitely want to hold 1471. Here comes another yawn. They keep on coming in. Yeah, and I apologize for the live stream. It's really choppy. That will not last forever. I have plans to fix that. I'm waiting on a shipment. Okay, let's take a look over here. What time is it? We have 2 minutes left till the market opens. WAL, I have not traded yet this morning, but it's on the gap scan. It's on the 5-day momentum scanner as well. Higher float, but that's okay. It's a higher price stock. And that seems to be the theme this morning. It's the higher priced stocks. So larger spreads. Harder to get in and out. Look at SPY. Trying to break through that resistance. 5-minute uptrend here on WAL as well. So bulls want to hold $36, which is also this volume weighted average price. It's also a psychological level. So, but right now we're riding the EMA, the 12 EMA there. So there we go, looking for higher lows on the 5-minute time frames. Oh my God. Gotta get those yawns to stop coming. Woo! Okay, won't be long and I'll be putting those yawns to bed. That's right, I'm a night owl. I'm up all night, so my bedtime is coming up very soon. I like what SPY's doing. Okay, the market's going to open in 30 seconds. I will not be trading in the first 1 minute. I can, but sometimes with the Thinkorswim platform, you can try to get into a trade. Your order won't get filled. It will bounce around the screen and then get filled at some ridiculous price that you didn't want it to because you couldn't cancel it. Oh, I've had that happen. That sucks. 5 seconds to go. Good luck with your trading today. Let's do it. I'm not in a hurry to trade this morning. Usually I'm pretty quick to punch the order and the I can't seem to talk this morning. The second 1 minute candle. That's what I was trying to say. Okay, SPY is breaking out, but my 4 stocks I'm watching are pulling back. Nice volume weighted average price bounce here. I haven't traded Mara, but I guess maybe I'll give it a shot here. And I'll go ahead and just take my profit early. No, I did trade Mara. I was actually up on it already. I'm going to buy the dip. And take the profit. What about PAC-W? No, I'm not. I see it moving up. All pre-market. I kept buying the breakouts, and then I kept getting screwed on it. So it's up at 1550. It's fighting that right now. I'm not going to buy a breakout. But on FRC, I will. For now. Oh, PAC-W did actually do something there. Okay, I'll buy the breakout. Oh, no, I won't. Okay, I'm back out of FRC. PAC-W got halted. That's why I said no, I won't. Mara coming up to its resistance up here. I'm just taking scalp trades so far. I gave back a little profit initially on FRC because it did not follow through. Now the question on PAC-W is, do I want to try to get in it on resumption, which would be in 5 minutes from now? I'm not sure. I have been screwed on PAC-W all morning, and I'm just not sure. What would you do? So WAL over here is also halted. So that's another one that I could try. Okay, FRC, I'm going to buy it now. See if we get a break. We have a high of day up here at 50.97. I added to it there once for the break higher. So we got a new 5-minute candle coming up in about 15 seconds. I might want to exit this. Yeah, I'm going to get out of that. That really should have went. For me, I just feel like that should have went already. Yeah, I'll buy it there. Nope. I'll buy off the volume weighted average price. That's more like it. And I'm going to move my stop loss up because I want that to hold. So I'm only risking like $5 there. When did we get halted on Pack W? At 6:31, so I would expect resumption at 6:35. 6:36, my bad. I think I'm going to focus on FRC here instead. Because what I'm looking for is a 5-minute higher low on FRC. Coming up to $50, getting rejected again, but let's see if we can get through 50. It's been a little difficult here trying to get through it. I'm just going to flatten that. Having a hard time struggling there. I'm taking a look over here at WAL. I am actually, what am I going to do here? Let it bounce a second and then I'm going to get out. Okay, let's go back over and take a look. Pack W, I'm so glad I didn't get in that one. Could buy the dip off the volume weighted average price again. I don't want to. Mara, just looking for a lower high on the 1-minute time frame. Pulled back enough there where bears are starting to take over. Double bottom though down here, kind of. I'll try this. Move my stop loss up. I don't like it. Just going to get back out. Don't like it. I'm up $55.22, and that is where I'm going to stop because my daily goal is 50, and if I give back any more, I'm worried that I'm going to drop below 50, and I don't want to do that. This is my first day of phase 2. Daily goal and done. That's good for me, so that's where I'm going to end it. This may end up bouncing. I don't care. I'm done for the day. So I hope your trading has gone well. This has been a very tricky one for me, and I'm glad to finally be done with it. So thank you for watching, and look out for the trade review coming up probably tonight. Have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.